We are pleased to introduce to you the Husqvarna manual sprayer range, the 301 SM, the 308 SM and the 320 SM. Each model is supplied with an operator manual which must be read before using, and spare O-rings. The 301 SM is a 1.5 litre sprayer for domestic use. Features include an aluminium piston rod, brass adjustable nozzle, spray lock, and can spray 300 milliliters a minute. The 308 SM is an 8 litre sprayer for domestic or light agricultural use. Features include stainless steel piston rod, 2 plastic adjustable nozzles, lockable trigger, shoulder strap, pressure release, and can spray 800 milliliters a minute at 3 bar. The 320 SM is a 20 litre backpack sprayer for light agricultural and professional use. Features include 50 centimeter stainless steel lance, 2 plastic adjustable nozzles, lockable trigger, water level indication, and can spray 800 milliliters a minute at 3 bar.